Welcome to today's lesson, where you will be learning the basics of Google Docs. As a college student, you will frequently find yourself needing to use a platform that allows you to work on a document with one or more other classmates. Google Docs is the perfect option because it is user-friendly and free to use. There are 4 learning objectives for today's lesson. After, you'll be able to successfully access Google Docs. You will also know how to create a new document. You will leave the lesson knowing how to share that document with specific individuals. And lastly, you'll be able to download your document to your computer. Getting to Google Docs. To access Google Docs, you will need to open an internet browser. In the search bar, you will type docs.google.com. From here, you will be able to see multiple different new document options. For this lesson, we will focus on creating a blank document. Creating a new blank Google Doc. Now that you have successfully opened the Google Docs webpage, let us dive into creating your own Google Doc. On the current page, click Blank, located under the Start a New Document section at the top of the screen. This will open a new web page that shows a blank document. To start, name your document, which you can do here. Now that you have a new document started, you will type and edit this document the same way you would a Word document on your computer. Share the Google Doc with specific individuals. Sharing your Google Doc is just as easy as creating one. When you share your Google documents with others, they will be able to view, edit, add notes, and download the document themselves. Before you share your document with others, ensure that you are wanting them to have full access to the document you are sharing. To share, click the Share button at the top right of your screen. In the Add People and Groups bar, type the name or email address of the first individual you want to share your document with. Once you have added the first person, you will be able to continue adding as many individuals as you would like. You have the option to notify people, which is highly recommended so that they are aware of the shared document and can begin viewing and adding their input. You can also add a message that will be sent along with the notification to all of the individuals you have selected to share the document with. On the right side of this pop-up box, you will see a drop-down menu that will automatically be selected as Editor. From here, you can select what you want the individuals to be able to do with the document. It will automatically be selected as Editor, so if you do not want the individuals to have access to the document, be able to edit the document, share the document, and much more, make sure you change this option. You can select it to only allow them to view the document. You can allow them to only comment on the document, or you can give them the full access as an editor. Once you have finished adding all those you want to share the document with and have given them the permissions you want them to have, you can click the Send button at the bottom right of the pop-up box. Downloading the Google Doc to your own device. Let us move on to how you can download the document to your computer. This is important to be able to do for when you need to upload the file to your D2L, as an example. This is a very easy process and is essentially the same process as saving a Word document to a folder on your computer. To begin, click the File drop-down at the top left of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you will click on Download. This will open another drop-down menu. From here, you can choose the type of file you want to download the Google Doc as. I highly recommend saving it as a Word document if you are planning on uploading it to any assignment submission box or wanting to later edit it on your computer. Now that you have learned some of the basics of Google Docs, I hope you feel more comfortable accessing, creating, sharing, and downloading your Google documents. This platform is a great resource for when you will be working on papers or projects with others and want to be able to all work on the document equally.